West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee continues to question the Waqf Act. She says there is no divide and rule in West Bengal and minority community is hurt after the Waqf Act. Mamata Banerjee goes on to say that live and let live. This is the sharpening of the attack against the Modi government after the passage of the Waqf bill in the parliament. Now the president has also given her assent, and after which the Waqf Act has come into place. Now, but the showdown and the political showdown over the Waqf Act continues. West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee saying that there is no need to be restless. Remember, these remarks come after continuous protest from various organizations as well in support of the political statements that are being made by the opposition. My colleague Shreyoshi will be joining me for more on this. This also continues to show how the opposition is not letting go of their protest against the passage of the Waqf Act. And remember, the centre has said that this has been done after deliberations from various experts, the parliamentary panel and the community. Act has been brought into place, while the government said and function transparent. My colleague Shreyoshi is joining me for more on this. Shreyoshi, do tell us about this reaction that is coming in from West Bengal Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee.
Well, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has urged the Muslim community here in the state not to get restless over the passage of the Waqf bill. We have been reporting instances of violence being reported, especially from the districts here in the state, where there have been flare-ups over this Waqf bill during the protest rallies. However, Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has assured the minority community that in West Bengal there will be no attempts of divide and rule, and also reassured the community that their Waqf properties are safe. This in way Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee is trying to pacify the Waqf protests that have been taking place in the state. As we report in Murshidabad, prohibitory orders have been issued after a Waqf protest rally yesterday turned violent. But Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee hasn't gone on record with those incidents, but has subtly told the minority community not to get into any provocation and to maintain peace. Of course, we have also seen opposition parties and Muslim bodies move the Supreme Court regarding this law. And just yesterday, the centre has notified this Waqf amendments, and now it has been imposed across the country. So it's a very, it's an important time, keeping in mind Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee has also highlighted the fact that the Bangladesh border remains a big concern for West Bengal. We share the longest border with the neighbouring country, which is in a political and economic turmoil. And at that point in time, to pass the Waqf bill, it wasn't the right time, is what she has also come on record to say against the Waqf amendments that were passed by both houses of the parliament, in which the Trinamool Congress, of course, had voted against the amendments. And now we see the Chief Minister reaching out to the minority community and urging them to maintain peace, law and order, and not to get provoked easily, because the state government is standing by them. And at the same time, Chief Minister has also said that 33% of the population in West Bengal is from the minority community. So that is very important as well. And keeping all this in mind, West Bengal goes to elections early next year. So of course, keeping the political fight against the centre up, the Chief Minister has made these remarks, against the Waqf amendments.
Right, Shreyoshi, but the opposition has been targeting Mamata Banerjee as well, and you have highlighted that the elections will be soon held in West Bengal. Do you think this is an appeasement tactic by the TMC?
Well, the Trinamool Congress has always, dismissed this appeasement politics allegations, and it has been done by Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee herself, where she has highlighted, past instances where she is also working for all the communities and not just the minority community, as alleged by the opposition parties in West Bengal, especially the BJP. Now, if we go by the election trends in the state, we have seen that the minority population has heavily backed the Trinamool Congress in the previous elections, be it the assembly elections or the Lok Sabha elections. Perhaps one can't deny the importance of that 33% vote share for any political party that wants to come to power in West Bengal. And Trinamool Congress has held on to that for the last 3 years. But the BJP has also at the same time, pushing their narrative of being pro-Hindus, citing several examples of what is going on in Bangladesh, where the Hindus are minorities, almost drawing a parallel. That's the political narrative that is being said by the BJP here. But of course, the crux of all of this, the politicization of such incidents only leads to law and order situations. That's what we have seen in the past as well during the CAA amendment, opposition that had broken out across the country, protests against it. But of course, now Chief Minister Mamata Banerjee does not want this to spiral out any further. And
Right.
she's sending out a message to the minority community to hold on. Back to you.
Absolutely. Thank you so much, Shreyashi, for joining us live over this information. We will continue to track the opposition reacting to the Waqf Act.